These viral AI object-destroying videos are taking over social media right now, and this Instagram page has just started, yet already gained over 13,800 followers by posting this exact style of content. What's even crazier is that some of the videos have already reached millions of views, and they're still counting. I created this video myself using AI in only 2 minutes. The final result looks incredibly realistic and instantly grabs attention. So let's get straight into the process, and I'll show you how to create these videos completely free. First, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt I'm providing, and hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate 20 viral object ideas that you can use for your videos. You can choose any object from the list or simply pick one of your own favorites. Once you've selected your object, open the prompt link provided in the description below and copy the entire prompt. Now go to Google Flow, select the video option, and choose OmniFlash as your video model. Adjust any other settings according to your preference, then paste the complete prompt into the prompt box. Hit generate, wait a few seconds, and your AI object destroying video will be created automatically. Now let's take a look at the result. And that's the entire process from start to finish